Hey guys, Mai here. We just finished our third day in Palm Springs. Just finished our training with All About the Bay. We want to say thank you to Mario, his wife, Ramon, his team, and the whole team here couldn't be more inspired by today's meeting. So thank you so much, guys. We are looking forward to meeting. What we're looking forward to meeting you guys again in the next All About the Bay, and okay. I'm going to say goodbye now.
My name is Hannah. I just got done with Mario's 3-day event and also Ramon from The Exception. They've been training us. We also went to Mario's luncheon the other day and got a lot of valuable insight, a lot of golden nuggets, and really how we can transform our business, our community, grow our network, all about the Bay. How we can provide more value to business owners, small business owners, any kind of entrepreneurs in any space, bringing the communities together really to connect. And so really grateful for Mario for hosting us and Ramon for also teaching us today at an all-day workshop for the whole entire day. Thank you guys. Palm Springs, Palm Desert, Coachella Valley, Indio. Shout out to you guys. Thank you.
It was an amazing event. It was just great to see how all these business owners came together, the joy and energy in the room. Mario's created something very special, and we're looking forward to trying to take some of what he's done down in Palm Springs and bring it back to the Bay Area. And I think if we do this correctly, we can help a lot of local business owners take their businesses to the next level, create impact on their communities. So it was a great event, though. I learned a lot.
What about the training today?
The training was fun. Ramon did a great job. Helped us find our identity, and I think as a board, we've kind of figured out our objectives and our focus of how we're going to help the Bay Area out, and how we're going to really create a lot of value for a lot of local business owners. And it was a productive board meeting.
Of the journey of this week where we actually get to bond together as a business owner, entrepreneur, share our connection, and really explore together, being in a desert environment, being welcomed by our host Mario and his community, and really experience really there's many ways to connect and create with community of entrepreneur and business owner, where we are not so busy about how much time it takes and are we going to make money. No, it's actually you're learning so much in deeper in the ways that is like growing yourself, growing your community, and I really recommend everyone to come.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mario Hernandez. First of all, let me just do my gratitude thanking to everyone that came out from All About the Bay, from the Bay Area. It was a wonderful opportunity. We got together as of Monday with Karen and Dee. They came out and had a little bit of time to spend with me, and so it was a little journey that we had for the week that I'm be looking back at it for many, many years, because we created some wonderful memories. The bottom line is, I'm very grateful because you guys came all the way out from the Bay Area. And this is your second visit. You came last year and you came again with an open heart and open mind to see what we're doing out here in the Coachella Valley with Desert United. And I want All About the Bay to know that this is your home out here, the Coachella Valley. You have me and my support to help you throughout the years. You can simply pick up the phone if you have questions or you need any type of thoughts that you have in mind that you might need some advice. I don't know it all. I'm still learning also, but I'm more than willing to help out in any way that I can. And we've been very blessed out here. Our families are healthy and we're working, but our goal is to help our community. So when you unite the community with good intentions, without expecting anything in return, and you praise God that you're able to get up every morning and be healthy and take care of what you love to do, I don't want to take that for granted. We're very fortunate and blessed to be in the position that we're in to give back for food. So we've had a great time being together, having meals together, enjoying time together, and asking questions about what we do and how we live and our families and our friends. And it was an opportunity for us to get to know each other, but that's how you build relationships, right? If you want relationships to exist for a long time, you have to nurture them. And I'm a big believer in that. But anyway, I encourage you there at All About the Bay. to be considering next year to come out again and come out and enjoy the Coachella Valley and get to know more about what we do here and attend my luncheons, because I do believe they're very uplifting, they're very inspirational, and you never know who you'll meet at my luncheon. There's just a lot of beautiful people that attend it because we create a good synergy, good environment, right? All positive, being optimistic about our economy, about each other. My goal is that when you do well, we all do well. I want to share that concept and thought that, I believe in that very, dearly, that I want everybody to succeed and prosper. So anyway, I hope that they had a wonderful time. I think they did. And they'll probably tell you more about it when they get back home. But my name is Mario Hernandez. You always have your home out here. And I hope to go up to the Bay Area to meet you as well. God bless you all. Thank you.
I just want to say that I have enjoyed this time with everybody, all my friends from all about the Bay. I met Karen, I know over a year ago. I don't know exactly when, but through Mario at Desert United, and we connected, and I was able to go to the Bay and speak twice at All About the Bay, experience the culture, experience the work they're doing. And so I had a great time with them. We even went hiking. We've done a lot of cool stuff together. And so this time they came to us. They came out here to Coachella Valley, and I got to spend today doing strategy training and planning with them, and just kind of helping hone in that vision and their goals and their strategies. And so, this is a real diverse group of individuals and business leaders, small business owners that really love the community and have a passion to help build up the community there in the Bay Area. And so I hope that, what I've been able to contribute has helped, and I want to continue to work with them. I know that they're on the right track, especially after these last couple of days. They came to learn and ask questions, it shows a really good sign of health. And so I know I'm excited to see what happens next. I'm excited to see how they take this plan and take all the work that was done in the last couple of days and go implement it. And so I'm behind it. I love the Bay Area. Obviously, I love the team of All About the Bay, and I look forward to continuing to partner with them. So look out for them. They're on the rise. They're growing. It's going to spread. I believe in them. And yeah, that's what I'd say.
My name is Karen. I'm the executive director for All About the Bay, and this past 3 days has been an amazing trip. Then I'm grateful that all my board members are able to be here to join me for this magnificent experience with attending Mario's event yesterday and the training today. What my takeaway is that, when you are get together and have this intensive training, then we realize our vision was not aligned. To kind of having this strategic plan to build this vision together so that we can be able to align and impact and bring back to the area is huge, right? So yes, it takes it takes a lot of effort, and I want to appreciate and acknowledge every one of you guys to be able to be here to put away your work hours. And I know everybody's busy, have busy schedule, but willing to be here and grow this community. And I also thank you, Mario, for hosting us and willing to be generous to give his insight, experience, and his knowledge to help us grow. And Mario done an amazing job the past 3 days, make us feel like VIP guests in Palm Springs. And Ramon, you're amazing, the top coach always in All About the Bay. And we look forward to more of a collaboration partnership with you. Thank you.
All About the Bay, we are not aggressive, but we are bullies.
All About the Bay? It's about coming together, helping each other.
What is not?
What is not about the Bay? This is terrible. Hey, give us your number so we'll never call you.